didn't know I put the camera on. Oh my goodness.
Yes,
She's getting her hair rebraided. The special needs prom is at the end of the week, so
yes,
yeah. Yes on that. She's doing so good. Her hair is so long. It's getting so long. Oh my goodness. So Kara's setting everything up for hubby so that he can make her peanut butter and jelly. Remember she sent me upstairs that time and made me sit down on the bed so that she could come down and ask him to make it? So she set everything up and now she's going to go ask him. She's so funny. So you see, I was making 2 of the 3 meals, right? The HelloFresh meals I showed you in last week's video. Oh my goodness. I never made them. So hubby wanted the burgers and then me and Sydney ate the other one. You know, Kara had her pizza, right? And so it worked out. And then after this, like once I ate, I decided to make the 3rd one that I never did too. And then we had that, you know, like later. But yes, this was perfect. Sydney ate all of her stuff separate. She doesn't like it all mixed up, but it was so good. So now I'm in the Reading Terminal, right, in Center City, Philadelphia, right? Very historic in here. I was craving the ice cream before I got on the train. So I went over here and just grabbed some butter pecan. Hey guys, look at Miss Cara girl. Hey girl.
Very good. I mean you. Good. Yes.
So we are headed to get their mani-pedis. The special needs prom that we do every year is tomorrow. So I called ahead of time just to see if I could bring them in like before. And they should have gotten it done maybe, I don't know, a week or so ago. But I knew that the prom was coming up. So I wanted the nails to be fresh. You know what I mean? So that's where we're headed. They're so excited about the prom. Oh my goodness. So yes on this again, right? Sydney was so funny. She was enjoying her massage. She was all slouched down in the chair. Oh my goodness. But yeah, so we went over and they sat there for about 2 rounds, you know, to dry up and everything. But yeah, it was perfect. So that went pretty good. We're all done. And I was going to get a petty, but I just wanted to focus on them. So I'll come back. But, so one has gold and one has silver. So I'll have to show you guys. One's wearing, you know, the gold jewelry and everything, and the other is wearing the silver. So that's how I did the nails. And I let them pick, but I still picked. You know what I mean? Like I gave them a choice, but not really. I just let them pick between which gold and which silver, right? You know what I mean? So yeah, so we're just gonna head on back in, and it is so dreary out here, but yeah, they're excited. I'm like, let me see your nails, and they were
yes.
So yes on that. Morning, you guys. So the lights are down, but not because I have a migraine, thank goodness, just because I'm on my chill. She's over here crunching. I don't know. She's eating. I don't know if you can hear her. Sydney had school today, but Kara did not. They're, you know, getting started early on the holiday weekend. So, yes, on that. She's upstairs, kind of moody ish a little bit, but excited about the prom tonight. Yeah, I did ask Sydney if she wanted to stay home. She was like, school, It, when I think about it, right? So, I already knew Sydney was gonna go because her and Kara, they're sisters, but they're sisters, right? They get on each other's nerves. And Kara is a little more whiny and just Sydney don't like it. So Sydney wants to get away, right? You know what I mean? So I was thinking about when we were on a Disney cruise. Remember when she took the picture with Mickey? I think he was in like his pirate gear, right? That's because I had to take Kara out of the Sydney and her space, right? They just, they love the same things, but it depends on what it is. Like we all love Disney, but Sydney likes to be on the balcony. Kara doesn't. Sydney likes the lights on. Kara likes it dark, like me. You know what I mean? It's just they're opposites. Sydney likes to run around with me all the time. Kara's like, stay home with daddy. You know what I mean? So I knew when I asked Sydney, do you want to go to school or you want to stay home? Everything is pretty much done. They just need to just get ready, right? When she comes home. So it's gonna be nice. I need to show you, I meant to show you their nails yesterday, but I forgot. It got late. And let me show you the dresses though. So they're both wearing black, but the dresses are different. Almost, it reminds me of like a wedding where all the bridesmaids have the same dress but different. That's how the girls are. And the theme this year is into the night. So I wanted black. You know what I mean? You know, that's one of the black and white for me, right? So one of the girls, Sydney, will be black and silver, and Kara will be black and gold. So yeah, and sneakers on the feet because we stay on the dance floor all night and just a good time. So yes on that. So yes on the dresses, right? Hanging up, all steamed and ready to go. So one is on top of the other. So they're kind of the same but different. Loving all of the sparkle in here with the sequins, right? So yes on that. That is definitely into the night, right? So like I said, Kara's going to be black and gold. So she has the shorter dress with the V-neck. So she'll be rocking, a necklace with hers and everything, all the jewelry. Now, Sydney's neckline is covered, so a little different. I feel like Sydney's is a little more grown up, and rightly so. So, yeah, she has the longer one. Sydney is tall, so this is perfect. So, a little more on that baby doll for Kara, right? And I do like the length on Sydney, so yeah, they're gonna be good to go. Hey, Kara, can I see your nails? Oh, there's the new shampoo machine. Hey, she holding her fingers up like y'all can see back there. Let me see, girl. Yes on that. So she's the goat. Girl, look at my nails. No, don't look at mine. They'll be done later though. So yes on that. I would show you Sydney's, but she left for school. So yeah, okay. Thank you.
I made my bed.
You made your bed?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll see you in a minute. And I'll put her hair up and, she'll have her gold accessories and Sydney will have her silver ones. But yes, hold on. So yes, this is Abyssal now. Switched it up. See how that's rocking. I got more solution though. That little bit that comes with it right here. I didn't even see what it was. Hubby put it up here. Oh yeah. The Abyssal Pro Max Clean and Protect. So yeah. Oh my goodness. So yes on that. And it is smaller. Like I feel like significantly smaller, which is fine with me. We only have carpet up here in the Disney Beauty Room and the girls' room. And then the area rugs. Here comes Hershey. And the area rugs, right? So, Hey, Miss Girl. Hey, Miss Girl. Oh my goodness. It's always a performance with her. Let me rub her real quick. And I need to get ready to go. I'm in the beauty room. So I spread everything out. So the silver, right, that's Sydney. So she'll have the bracelet, right? She could pick earrings, whatever she wants to wear. And we're going to throw the headpiece in, right? And then these are extras. I think I grabbed these from Ross, I feel like. And then over here is Cara Girl. So her headpiece, her bracelet, right? Earrings and things. So we'll see how it goes. And of course the sneakers. I have to show you the sneakers. I'm not sure if I want to bling the sneakers out yet. Yvonne will do it while, I'm working. So if I decide to, I kind of don't want to mess them up, but we'll see. Look at your jewelry. You're going to wear the gold?
Yes.
The bracelet,
Yes.
right? You're going to put that in your hair?
Yes. Look at the jewelry.
Yeah.
Dance at the prom today at 7 o'clock.
At 7 o'clock? Okay. All right, y'all. I got to go. Are you going to dance tonight?
Yes.
Yes. She's so excited. What are you going to dance?
Cupid Shuffle.
The Cupid Shuffle, which is
Taylor Swift, Shake It Off.
Oh, Taylor Swift? Oh, yes on that. All right, y'all, let me go before I miss my train. So here are the Skechers, right? These are the slip-ins, perfect for them because they're going to be on the dance floor all night, 1. And 2, Sydney's very clumsy. I just feel more comfortable, her and Cara being in a sneaker type, and just so that they're not, uncomfortable, right? So this is kind of the canvas material, but I'm still not sure whether I want to bling the top out yet. So I don't know. I'll think about it. But yeah, okay. All right, I'm gonna go. Yvonne was out there on the dance floor with the girls for a little bit. Such a good time, right? Oh my goodness. And you guys remember Miss Lauren? She is my biggest fan. She always makes an appearance. Yes on that. I forgot to show you guys this. So hubby, girl, he won them. And it was like a silent auction, you said, babe? Yeah. So he didn't think he was going to win. And he won them both. So, oh my goodness, Saquon Barkley, right? That's probably, that move is going to be forever. Like, no one's ever going to forget that. And this one right here, Jalen Hurts, the brotherly shove, right? The Super Bowl. He was like, babe, I didn't think I was going to win. He won them both. They're fire, though. I like them. So they're probably gonna go in the basement, with all the good. So yes on that. Yes. So the tote bag is on the bed, and you guys know that this has become my favorite travel on an airplane. Throw the bag under the seat. I am obsessed, and that just means that we need to talk about what's going on in there on Tuesday on the Travel Channel. All right, you guys, I'm going to end it here. So, you know what I wanted to ask you? Do you like the shorter versions of the video or the longer ones? It's really, like last weekend was a little bit longer. It was almost like 30 minutes. And it's because I was showing you everything that I did during the week. You know what I mean? I like that though. But I wanted to see if you like it too, because you're the one that's watching it. So whatever you want, I'll do for you. But yeah, I like it. Because I feel like, okay, this is what she did on this day. This is like everything that's going down, good, bad. You know what I mean? So yeah, I like it. But let me know what you like. So make sure you head over to the Travel Channel on Tuesday so we could talk about what's in that bag and where I'm headed next. All right, you guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.